Hey, welcome back to another quick assist video. And in this video, I will be showing you how to enlarge the apps in case your vision might be a little bit bad and you just think the text is too small, the apps are too small. So this is how we change the apps to make it larger. First, we're gonna go ahead and click on settings right here. From settings, we're gonna wanna go down to, so from the top, we're gonna scroll down to displays and brightness. Once you get here, you go scroll back down and then you will see display right here. Well, it says display zoom, and then so you can go ahead and click this larger text. So once you do that, go ahead and press check and use zooms. So then it's gonna refresh. Okay, so now when we go back, you'll see how everything will have larger text now. So it's more noticeable here. Everything's more spaced out a little bit, but then the text is larger. Yeah, so go ahead and try that out. So in my other video, I also showed if you want to make everything bold or text size, you can even change. Okay, guys? So, all right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Please like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.